But one of the credit hacks that I saw in that book was, and I did, and this video is really for people who have no credit, or have credit and maybe it's bad, you're trying to rebuild credit. People go, hey Tone, I don't have any money to do a secured card, or I have no money extra left over. And I get that. That's certainly the case. Some people are in that situation. But what you do have, and most of us have, or most of us do each month, is we pay rent. And so whether your rent's $500, $1,000, $1,200, $1,500, actually the more the better for this credit hack. But look, it's pretty simple. So basically, you get paid. Let's say your rent is $1,000. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to a credit union, a bank, and what you wanna ask them for is, you wanna say, Mr. Banker, I have no credit, or I'm reestablishing credit, and I like to do a secured loan.